If DaVinci Resolve 20 is showing a GPU configuration warning, don't worry, this is usually fixable in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to fix the warning, make sure Resolve uses the right graphics card, and improve stability so you can get back to editing without errors. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick DaVinci Resolve fixes. Let's jump in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the menu in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it, then select Preferences. This is where Resolve keeps all of its system and hardware settings, including your GPU options. Once the Preferences window opens, make sure you are on the System tab at the top. Then, in the left-hand sidebar, click Memory and GPU. Now look for the GPU configuration section. This is the part that controls which graphics processor Resolve is using. If Auto is enabled next to GPU selection, uncheck it so you can manually choose the correct hardware. This step is important because automatic detection can sometimes pick the wrong GPU, especially on laptops or systems with both integrated and dedicated graphics. Next, check the box next to your dedicated graphics card. If you see something like NVIDIA GeForce or AMD Radeon, that is usually the one you want. At the same time, make sure any integrated graphics such as Intel UHD or Intel Iris are unchecked. The goal is to force DaVinci Resolve to prioritize the more powerful GPU for smoother playback, better rendering, and fewer warning messages. After that, look at the GPU processing mode dropdown. If you're using an NVIDIA card, select CUDA. If you have an AMD or Intel GPU, choose OpenCL. And if you're on a Mac, make sure Metal is selected. Picking the correct processing mode is a key step because if Resolve is using the wrong backend, it can trigger GPU errors or performance problems. Once everything looks correct, scroll down and click Save at the bottom of the window. A pop-up will appear, letting you know that the changes will take effect the next time DaVinci Resolve is started. Click OK, then fully restart the application so the new GPU settings can load properly. If the warning still appears after restarting, the next thing to do is update your graphics driver. Go directly to the official website for your GPU manufacturer, whether that is NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest Studio driver instead of the game-ready driver if that option is available. Studio drivers are usually more stable for editing software like DaVinci Resolve and can often solve warning messages, crashes, or performance glitches. If you're on Windows, there is one more important check. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section and make sure your dedicated GPU is enabled. You should not see any warning icons, such as a yellow triangle. If you do, that usually means there is a driver issue or Windows is not recognizing the hardware correctly. You should also force Windows to use the high-performance GPU for DaVinci Resolve. To do that, go to Windows Settings, then System, then Display, and open Graphics. Find DaVinci Resolve in the list, click Options, and choose High Performance. This tells Windows to launch Resolve using your dedicated graphics card instead of the integrated one, which can help eliminate GPU configuration warnings and improve overall performance. After completing these steps, open DaVinci Resolve again and check whether the warning is gone. In most cases, manually selecting the correct GPU, choosing the proper processing mode, and updating to the right driver will fix the issue. And if you are on a laptop, these settings are especially important because Windows and Resolve may try to switch between GPUs automatically. If this video helped you fix the GPU configuration warning in DaVinci Resolve 20, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more editing tips, troubleshooting guides, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.